You can get a really good body, like Shakira's or mine, really quickly. All you do is push, push, push. It works your legs, buttocks, and abdominals. Titanium. This is the Ab King Pro. All you have to do for this is lay down and go. 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 It really works your abs. Or you can twist it this way. Go. 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 It works this part. Or the other way. But I just couldn't be bothered to show you. This is Maddie. She's on the treadmill. She doesn't want to tone her body. She just wants to lose her fat. So she's running. I'm already skinny. All I have to do is use these two great products. But Maddie needs to use all three. That's it for today, guys.